If you're in the business world or in your home, you don't have one person think about how much money is going to come in the door and someone else think about how much you're going to spend, because you might end up having two very different numbers. If you can't balance budgets in business, you're out of business. If you can't balance your budget at home, you'll be out of your home at some point. And so in government, that's not how it works. In government, they have committees that sit there and spend the money and some other committee that thinks about taxing. I want to bring these things together and have a plan that says we're going to lower our tax rates, we're going to lower our spending, we're going to preserve our long-term viability by fixing our entitlements, and that way we will restore the American dream. And that's exactly what I'll get done. You're going to hear me say it time and time again. More jobs, less debt, small government. More jobs, less debt, smaller government. We've got to get that job done, guys, if we want to get Americans back to work and fulfill the American promise. Now, we have a very different course set out in front of us. The President would take us in one direction, I'd take us in a different one. His plan with regards to jobs is very simple. He wants to raise taxes. That will kill jobs in this country. He's proposing today a corporate tax plan, which I understand sounds like he's lowering taxes, but in fact he's raising taxes on businesses by hundreds of billions of dollars. He's raising taxes on these companies that flow through, that pay taxes at individual rates. Raising taxes will kill jobs. My plan will create jobs. That's the difference between the two of us. He's comfortable with spending more than we take in by about $1 trillion a year, 4 years in a row with trillion-dollar-plus deficits. If I'm president, I will cut spending, I will cap spending, and I will finally get us a balanced budget. He likes the idea of the government ultimately managing our health care system, telling you what kind of insurance you can have, what kind of coverage you can have, what kind of treatment you can have. If I'm president, I'll repeal Obamacare and return rights to our people. If he's reelected, he will continue to put the hold on natural gas and oil and coal, and we won't get that oil coming from Canada, known as the Keystone Pipeline. If I'm president, I'll get that oil from Canada and get America energy secure.